everybody, if you're looking for a low profile light fixture that's LED, this video just might be for you. So this company said this to me and said, Ryan, can you see how easy this thing is to install? How bright is it? What do you think about it? But no way whatsoever with this being provided to me a Fixer's Review, because I am just here to keep it real. So this is what it would look like. It's sort of a, I would say almost like a pewter, silver brushed nickel type finish. So this is what the bottom looks like. You have your positive, negative, and ground wires, all nice and neat. Once mounted, the diffuser hangs in place like this. The diffuser can be pulled out like this. It's got a little flex to it. It kind of gives you a close-up look on what the diffuser looks like. Here's what the LEDs look like on the inside, all right there. The light color of these LEDs is 3,000 kelvins with about 2,000 lumen. Kind of give you an idea from the brightness standpoint. This can be mounted a couple different ways. 1, 2, 3 can be mounted directly into sheetrock, or it has some bolts right here that can be directly bolted to an exposed outlet in the ceiling. It does come with the necessary hardware as far as the wire nuts and sheetrock screws. Everything we need to get this thing installed. So it's flush right to the ceiling, which is very nice. Very nice and compact. But it's illuminated. You have that warm light. The diffuser has a light spread evenly, which is nice. Try to pick that up as best possible. All around, very nice. Easy to install. Probably took about 5 minutes. 3 screws and 3 wire nuts. From a sizing standpoint, you're looking at about 12.5 inches total width and only about 2 and about 1/4 inch off the ceiling. So the compact size allows it to go in there nice and neat and not take away valuable space that might be needed. Hope this answers any and all questions you might have about this really nice LED light fixture. And we'll talk to you soon.